Okay, this is the demonstration video for the photo stripes assignment. The finished product will be an 8 by 10 image featuring 4 narrow images reflecting a common theme. They can be images you've taken before. You can take new images. They can be images of the same object but different angles. And I'm going to show you how to make it in here in Photoshop. So open Photoshop, and you're going to open, let's create a new. We're going to create the new document, and on the right side here you get options. First of all, make sure that the dimensions is set to inches, and you want the width to be 10 and the height to be 8. Okay? The resolution, I would do anything between 150 and 300. 300 is the maximum photo resolution quality. Anything bigger than that, it's just going to make your file size larger, and it's quite unnecessary. I wouldn't go any smaller than 150. If you go any smaller than that, it will look really pixelated when you print it. So between 150 and 300, I'm just going to keep mine at 150. Okay, so your new document opens, and by default it has a white background. In all of my examples it has a black background. You can use any color you want, to be honest. We're going to fill the background color with the paint bucket. It's about halfway down on the toolbar. If you don't see the paint bucket, it's because it's a nested tool. If you see, some of the tools have little arrows in the corner. That means if you click and hold on it, you get more options. So if you don't see it, it's shared and nested with the gradient tool. So find the paint bucket and pick a color. On your foreground color, if you just click on it, you get a color picker. This strip on the right side is where you can choose the hue. And on the left side, you can choose a value. So if you choose a green hue, over here you can choose a value of green. I'm just going to use black. Click OK, and now it fills my page. I'm going to go ahead and save this as a Photoshop document. File save. It's the first time we're saving it, so file save is fine. I'm going to name it Photo Stripes version 1, V1. Make sure type is Photoshop document. That's going to save all of your layers. So if you want to go back to it and edit it, you can. And now my document is saved. On the next video, we're going to start cropping the images and moving them into this document.